Hello dear programmers and welcome to our new video in our channel Easel L3. My name is Belmadani Abdelkader. I'm from Group 2 Easel. So let's start this video. Let's enter in the topic. There's a lot of good video games. Some people don't know that video games are created with specific gaming engine that make the development or the programming easier. So today video we're gonna talk about best gaming engine that every developers use and you should use also. Before we start talking about those engines, someone will ask me, can I use those engines without learning programming language or coding? The answer is no. You need to learn the basic of coding, especially C and Java. Those two programming languages are necessary so you can use those engines. Alright, so let's enter this list and we're gonna start with the first one, first engine. First engine is GameMaker. Believe it or not, GameMaker engine has its own programming language called GameMaker language or GML, GameMaker language. So it's a mix of JavaScript, C++, and C# all in one language that's called GML or GameMaker language. So if you have any experience with those languages, you may find very well this GameMaker language will be easier for programming to pick up on your game making journey. With GameMaker language, user can go beyond to simple drag and drop feature that the base engine consists of. This allows a comprehensive multi-stage process in which coding newbies as well as coding experts can create great games in GameMaker studios. This language is perfect for programmers who want to program 2D games. 3D games are not suitable for this language, unfortunately. So if you want to program like 2D games, simple games, this engine is perfect for you. There is a free version of this software, but I don't recommend it because it's so limited. In other words, this software is not free. You need to pay monthly or yearly so you can use this software. The most famous game that were created by this engine is Undertale. We have finished with the first game engine, so let's go to the second one. This one is Unity. Unity. The language that is used in Unity is called C#. All the languages that Unity operates with are object-oriented scripting language. There's two versions of Unity. 2020 the stable one, 2021 which is being used in testing new feature. I recommend that you use the 2020 because it's the stable one. Unity contains a lot of tools that can help you in programming your game, like the move tool, rotation tool, the scale tool, and the combine tools. It combines all the other tools and we can add physics to the object also. And Unity also uses the system of drag and drop. Unity is being used for all kind of games, 3D and 2Ds. Some programmers think that Unity approach to the 2D are far too complex when you compare it to GameMaker engine. No, Unity Engine 2D is simpler than the 3D one. You can use Unity for free or you can purchase Unity Pro. It contains more features for $150 per month. Damn, I don't recommend that you purchase Unity Pro. You can use Unity free. It's enough for your gaming development or gaming programming. And the most famous game that was created with this engine is Among Us. And we're gonna go to the third, that is Unreal Engine. Unreal Engine uses the text-based programming language C++. Also, Unreal Engine uses visual scripting called Blueprints, which utilize a faster programming option via drag and drop that is very simple for the beginners. The world must open an advanced real-time 3D creation tool and it requires a powerful and a good PC. The good things about Unreal Engine is that the video games that you produce have perfect graphics that seem very realistic when you compare it to Unity Engine. And also there's two versions of Unreal Engine. There's Unreal Engine 4, the stable one and the best one, and there's Unreal Engine 5 that is still in development, but when it will be released is gonna take the video game industry to a whole new level. Better techniques, better gameplay, better graphics, better everything in Unreal Engine 5. Unreal Engine ships with scalable and proven client-server architecture to bring instant viability to any project multiplayer component. Unreal Engine have a tool that help you make some multiplayer games or online games. That is very perfect and also is free. And this engine is completely free. You just need to download Epic Game Launcher, then go to the Unreal Engine tab and start create your project. And there's a lot of famous video games that were made by Unreal Engine like PS 2022. And our last game engine in this list is Blender. Blender uses the Python programming language for its scripting API. Blender features include 3D modeling, UV unwrapping, texturing, rigging and skinning, fluid and smoke simulation. With Blender you can design a lot of objects in video game, like you can design for example a donut in Blender and add it to your video game. You can also design like a door and also design your characters, main characters or side characters. Also you can make a lot of emotions for those characters, like emotion when your character is sad, emotion when your character is talking, emotion when your character is closing its eye. Blender is a useful object for designing tools and characters for your video games, and also there's a good feature that you can import your Blender projects to either Unity or Unreal Engine, so you can add some coding and animation to those characters or to those objects. And also Blender is free to use, so I recommend it that you use Blender only for designing the characters and the objects and the environment of your video game, because it's so much easier when using Blender. So we're gonna make a quick summary. If you wanna make a 2D game, I require that you use Game Maker engine. If you want to make 3D game with normal graphics and you have a normal PC or computer, I recommended you to use Unity. If you want to make a perfect video game with perfect graphics, perfect gameplay, and you have a powerful and high-end PC, I recommended that you use Unreal Engine. So yeah, dear programmers, every engine has good features and bad features. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, comment on this video, subscribe to this channel for more videos, inshallah. So goodbye everyone, fi rahmatillah, and peace.